Hi friends, I am from Regrop.com, India's leading real estate brokerage firm, and today we are visiting at Merlin Verway project, which is located in Tollygunge, Kolkata. This is the way to Tollygunge metro station. And this is the way to New Alipur. Here, this is the view of the entrance gate. Here you can see the view of the entrance gate. And as we are moving inside, Merlin Verway is an under construction project which carries 2 number of towers with 13 floors each and 153 number of units. This project comprises of 2, 3 and 4 BHK apartments. As Merlin Verway is a residential project, this project is constructed over 1.50 acres of land. Here, as you can see, the work is going on. It's an under construction project and the possession will be available from December 2021. The BSP price of this project is 6,933 per square feet. So we are giving you the overall view of the under construction project. So here you can see the view of ongoing work. So this is the view of the exit gate. So thank you friends for watching this video. For booking, please contact at the given number. Thank you.